What's up guys, today's video is on the best cat harnesses. We made this list based on our extensive research and testing and shorted it based on the features, price, quality, and reputation of the manufacturers. Check out the description to find out their prices and more information. We've included the links in the description below. Let's get started. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to my channel and press the bell so you get a notification when we upload new videos. Number 1. Reflective Cat Harness and Leash. The Reflective Travel Cat Harness is at the list of top picks due to its snug, comfortable fit that can be adjusted to suit cat comfort and security features. The vest-style cat harness is highly recommended by expert in cat behavior Jackson Galaxy and is one of the products that he sells on his website. It is available in 4 different sizes and is adjustable to fit your pet's body with the help of straps and the adjustable Velcro closure. The harness slides between the legs of frontal paws and is secured to their shoulders, making it simple to put on and is suitable for cats who dislike having anything put on their heads. It comes with an reflective strip that will help you spot your cat even in dim lighting. Number 2. Puptic Adjustable Cat Harness. If you require only for occasional visits to the vet or for trips to the airport, a less expensive harness could be the best choice for you. The PupTech H-Style Flexible Cat Harness is extremely inexpensive, yet this design makes it easier for cats to get out of. It's made of nylon and comes with 2 straps that have buckles that can be adjusted in order to accommodate the body size of your cat. You can choose from several vibrant shades. The PupTech is simple to use, however it's only available with one size, meaning it might not be appropriate for cats that are larger than average. It can be used as a basic harness to gauge your cat's curiosity and aid in getting them ready to get them to explore the natural world. Number 3. Yizhi Meow Cat Harness. This adorable cat harness combines the security of a jacket design with adorable designs and the lace trims. It is available in XS, S, XS and sizes that are XL. A variety of different designs are available such as plaid, polka dots, camo and a sailor-style jacket for those who prefer a nautical theme. Each design includes a leash and harness. The harness comes with 2 different D-rings for attaching the leash to, so you can decide which is best for you or your dog. The harness is secured with Velcro. Number 4. Hippet Velcro Cat Harness and Leash. If you're in search of an item that makes use of Velcro, also called hook and loop, to secure it for those cats who don't want the traditional jacket-style harness, this one from Hippet covers a little less of the body of your cat. The 2 straps with hooks and loops permit you to alter the size, but you must make sure whether the fit isn't too tight every time you use it, as it's possible that your cat could wiggle out. The harness is available in 4 vibrant prints, with matching leashes as well as 4 sizes. The harness has 2 D-rings to connect a leash to it and is constructed of a mesh that breathes. Number 5. PetSafe Harness and Bungee Leash. The leash that comes with PetSafe's Come With Me Kitty H-Style harness has an innovative bungee design which extends up to 6 feet in order to give your cat a bit more freedom but still keep their safety. The set is available in a range of sizes and colors, and the adjustable points on the belly and sternum give you a custom fitting that will adjust when your cat gets bigger and/or loses weight. It is also simple to put on by simply sliding your cat's head into the loop, which has snap closures on each side and back. It's highly recommended by users for its convenience and the high percentage of acceptance by cats who are not accustomed to the traditional vest-style harness. All the product links mentioned are in the description box. If this video helped you, please give the video a like, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell to keep up to date on the latest videos. See you guys later.